Welcome to Kayla's beautiful, fantastic kitchen. Today we're making an Italian soup called Zuppa Toscana. This is perfect for wet spring days or cold autumn evenings. Let's cook. First, we're going to brown 1 pound of Italian sausage, probably about 7 to 10 minutes. You can also use link sausage like Kelebasa or just a regular Italian link sausage. I'm going to be using a link sausage as well in this, but you can do either or. We're going to brown this for about, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add in 1 medium onion that's diced and let this sweat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in 3 cups of peeled and chopped potatoes. Got a little brown because they were pre-chopped. Stir that in, and then we're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Stir. And then 4 cups of chicken broth. Usually I'll use my homemade broth, but I'm actually out, so I just have to use store-bought. And then 2 cups of milk. You can also sub it out for if you have heavy cream, you could do 1 cup of heavy cream as well. And if you want, you can also make this recipe completely dairy-free by using coconut milk. I've experimented with that and it's very good. Cover and let this cook for 30 minutes. Before we add in our kale, I'd like to mention that you should always go through your kale if you're buying it pre-chopped and make sure that all the stems are taken off, because that can be the main source of bitterness that a lot of people don't like. So make sure you always just go through quickly and just see if there's any stems and just pull them off. So now we're gonna go ahead and take off our lid. Wow, this smells really good. Just gonna stir it real quick. And then I'm gonna use a spoon and just test the broth to make sure my salt and pepper levels are good. Salt is good. And now we're gonna add in a little bit. I'd like to mention that I didn't add in any salt on purpose because especially when you're working with pork products, they can be very salty. So you always want to try it before you use it. And now we're gonna go ahead and add in 2 cups of kale. Oops. And then we're going to cover this and let this cook for another 10 to 15 minutes to soften the kale. It's time for the verse of the day. 1 Thessalonians 5:11 says, "Therefore, encourage one another and build each other up, just as in fact you are doing." So let us each day strive to be an encourager, working hard towards the goal of making a difference with kindness. Our soup is done, and now it's time to portion it up. Just going to give it a quick stir. Now we're going to let this cool for about 5 minutes. Really good. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Kayla's Beautiful, Fantastic Kitchen. Please hit the subscribe because it's free and click the notification bell to join the movement of bringing families back to the table, one recipe at a time. Bye!